Hello everyone, welcome to Jobs Mera YouTube channel. And we have a new opportunity today from embedUR company, which is recruiting for a embed system and Fresher Drive B.E, B.Tech and 2024 batches. Let's know about the company. The embedded UR system is a leading embedded technology company headquartered in Silicon Valley, which is a presence in the Chennai and established in 2004, and the company through it is expertise has embedded its customers to launch products and solutions and providing to supports and across market. An expert in IoT, networking, clouds, AI, and the company has to revenge and its time on bleeding and age. Lots of points that you can read it. And what we are hiring for the device development, C language, automation testing, Python, cloud and ops, DevOps. The salary requirement offered CTC 8 lakh with a agreement offer package and other terms and condition we discuss with the final selection candidate who who are selected to final, then discuss the all package term and conditions. And let's know about the recruitment and how to fill the form. The first name, email ID, mobile numbers, college name, and current specific format and something current locations, your passing graduation years, the department of which you are belongs, the marks of B.Tech and the 12th and the boards of 12th and the your 10th marks and the standard boards, and do you have a history of any degree? If you have any, then click it, and then next, after that you can submit the all process. I hope guys you are understand the all total process. Then you go and apply as soon as possible. If you have any query, please comment me and I will respond promptly. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned and more exciting opportunity. Thank you all. And the link of this recruitment process is the video description. So go and check out to all recruitment and this company recruitment. So thank you all of you.